I really do think that the altcoin season, has officially kicked off. It's actually quite funny to say that aloud, but we've been observing for the past 2, 3 days, even I'd say 4 or 5 days now, these altcoins, these big global ones like Cream Tote Pumple, just take a look right here at Jaylee, okay? It presented us with this scenario. You see, it gave us a first significant pump, about 325% up, and then it proceeded to give us a second major pump, around 150%. And now it's actually going to try and capture another 130%. It has just pulled back to the golden ratio, just pulled back right to the golden ratio. I know I might sound a little bit enthusiastic here, but these coins, they're making money so easily. It's like water. Just check this out within the group. And I'm being completely serious here. I genuinely feel this. Look at these percentages. 68%, 36%, 24%, a massive 157%. I'm getting a strong impression, and I'm telling you this right now, I'm getting the distinct impression that we're somewhat in a situation very similar to November 8th, back when Trump was elected. I have the feeling that the altcoin season has just begun. And I'm not just talking about a single token like Jaylee. Jaylee, I understand it's a meme coin. I get all of that. And it's kind of like, junk. But it's all these tokens that are starting to move. Just look at today's performance. 89% for X. And it's even more than that, I realize I might be sounding a bit hyped, but I myself have managed to secure a 499% profit. It was a very good entry, very well taken. You can see for yourself, there's nothing that isn't pumping. Absolutely nothing that isn't experiencing a significant surge. Look at it since its all-time low. It was a coin that went up by 150%. Take the cake token, a token that was completely dead in the water, the cake swap. Most traders, would probably not even recognize it. They'd be like, what is cake?